Assalamu alaikum viewers. I'm Usama Jamshed from Adamkada, Rawalpindi, Pakistan. Today our guest is Mr. Breder from Albania. He is student of International Islamic University, and today we will discuss life in International Islamic University, Islamabad. Mr. Breder, we will welcome you. We thank you, and we start. Please say some words, some very first days of your life in International Islamic University, Islamabad.
Islamic University is a beautiful place where you can learn, you can understand Islam, you can feel free, you can feel good in this environment. It is a beautiful university with old and new campuses. I am studying Islamic studies, Usuluddin, and it is a great opportunity for me of being here.
Yes.
If I was younger than now, I will choose again this country, this university. I love this country. I love International Islamic University, and I would like that this university in the future to have more foreigners from West,
Overseas
from
students.
America, from Europe, because many people they has the intention to go in Saudi, in Arab countries, but they underestimate, they underrate Pakistan as a place where you can learn. I would like the people to come in Pakistan. I believe Pakistan is the best place where you can study.
Okay. How did you find its building, its environments, its study, its labai, its teachers, its students, and we have also a campus in near adjacent to Faisal Mosque, Kuwait Hostel, life in Kuwait Hostel, life in near hostel, its buses. What how you describe?
Old campus is the best for me because it's close to the Faisal Mosque, it's close to the forest, it's a greeny area, fresh air, clean, near to Margala Hills. When you are feeling not well, you can do some jogging, you can do some hiking, and there is a big library there. You can pray in the Faisal Mosque, or everything is close. So for me, old campus is the best, and I would like that the foreigners to be there, to be located in the old campus. Also, new campus is a good place. Is a good place, and university, usually is friendly towards the foreigners, and I like this environment. I like the place. Yeah.
About study, teachers, about its
Teachers,
teachers.
majority of the teachers, they have good
Okay. It's
energy. They are positive.
okay. Its development, its structure, its architecture.
The architecture is good, and university is going every day. Every day is improving itself.
Yes.
In the West, the universities that we have, they are very old, more than 100 years. So this university, I think, is about 45 years old. So it needs time. It needs also help from the Arab world, because it's an international Islamic university. It needs, professors to come and to work and to contribute in this beautiful university.
Thank
From
you.
all the Muslim world. I would like teachers, also professors from Turkey, which I haven't seen.
Okay. Your message for students, for Pakistani students.
My message for Pakistani
All over
students
the Pakistan.
is not to have bias towards the foreigners, because to understand the foreigners is not easy. We have different traditions, different culture, different thinking. We have different dress. So when the foreigners are here, the Pakistani students sometimes, they don't understand them properly. So I will tell to them, be patient with the foreigners, invite them
Yes.
to be close to you, to be more, be more friendly with the foreigners.
Okay.
Because the foreigners, they have no family here, they have no their nation, so they are feeling a little bit far. They feel homesickness.
Okay.
So I would like more close Pakistanis.
Your message for overseas students, foreign students.
My message is the overseas students must interact, must mix with the locals to understand them, not to stay Chinese with the Chinese, Indonesians with Indonesians, Africans with the Africans. If you want to understand, the traditions, Islam, the country, everything, even what is going on in the world, you have to interact, you have to mix with the locals, with the Pakistanis. You have to learn Urdu. I have seen students that don't study Urdu. They don't care about Urdu. No, man, Urdu is a Islamic language. It's a beautiful language. It sounds like poetry.
Okay, your poetry, you were discussing the poetry and Iqbal. Say some verses of Iqbal and Rumi in Farsi, in Urdu, if you.
My friend Osama, you are blessed with great poets. And one poet which I love his writings is the great poet of the East.
Yes.
His name is Allama Iqbal. I appreciate, I like his style.
Yes.
And he was not just a poet, he was an Islamic thinker. What he said 100 years back, we see now what is going on. They predicted this situation that we are facing now in the world. What is going on in Palestine? What is going on with Muslims in India? How they are being oppressed in Kashmir. So we find now the situation in his poetries, and he was giving hope. I cannot compare Allama Iqbal with some Albanian or some other writers, poets. His poets are very deep. They can encourage you to live as a proper Muslim. He says, नहीं हो तेरा नशीमन कसरे सुल्तानी के गुंबद पहाड़ तुम शाहीन है बसरा कर पहाड़ों की चट्टान ऊपर. Which means that don't I'm translating somehow because I don't know proper Urdu. He says that don't care about about a good home, a comfortable home. You are a shaheen, you are an eagle. Eagle can live in the mountains. So don't think so much about comfortability, about the luxury life. You Muslim, you are like an eagle.
Some other verses, if you do.
Yeah. I will tell you another poetry which has also a story behind that.
Yes.
Because Allama Iqbal, every poetry which he did, he in fact he was based on a real story. So one real story was about what was going on in Lahore in the beginning of 20th century.
Yes.
So he says, शबहार में नज़ तो बनाती ईमान की हरारत वालों है मन अपना पुराना पापी है परसों में नमाज़ पढ़ना साका. He says, in a night you can build a mosque. But the people, they are like, you see the people in the mosque doing dhikr, doing namaz, like they are drunken, like they have been drunken. So they are worshipping they are too much pious and devout and concentrated on what they are doing. But the situation is same as it has been before. Yes. Why? Because the sins, our sins, are going on and not stopping. So the story was based on the real, what happened in Lahore, about a dispute in Shalmi market in Lahore, about a local place where the Muslims and Hindus they were using for praying. So the Muslims they built a mosque in one night, because the case went to the court, and the court, if you have built something in that land which was a disputed land, will give, more on your behalf, on the Muslim behalf, on the case will go on the Muslim side if the Muslim could have built something. So the Muslim in one night they built a mosque.
Some Persian verses, if you.
Persian, I like Sadi Shirazi, Rumi, Omer Khayyam. We have many poetries of Omer Khayyam in my language, but I would like to mention a short poetry about, about knowledge from Firdausi. Tavano bovet harke dono bovet, zerdon eshtele pir bono bovet. When you have knowledge, even if you are old in age, you are still young. Knowledge make you always
Young.
Okay. This is the meaning of the.
Thank you, Mr. Brother, and thank you, viewers, with the new topic and with new discussions. We will join you again. Thank you very much.
Thank you for inviting me here, and let's hope also the situation in Palestine will be solved.
Inshallah.
Peace. We hope Allah will bring us peace to this place, which is our pain. Now our hearts are with the Palestinians. They made us understand very well what is going on in the Western world and the hypocrisy of Western world.
Okay.
Let's hope the peace will come in Kashmir and Palestine also.
Inshallah. We will also discuss the Palestinian issue. Inshallah.
Yeah,
Thank you.
maybe